under the red tree.
Mm.
There's one under the rhubarb. Here comes now a little blue tit. Yeah, it's here. It's very carefully going under forest flame towards this other one. There's one under the rose.
Yeah.
Oops.
What? A sparrow.
And is that a donut?
Yeah, donut.
Sparrow. This one's quite content, sat on the deer.
Yeah.
That other one I think's a bit tired. It sat under the rose tree now. Behind the pink flower.
Yeah. Oh, and then there's something behind it there, right? Thought I saw something on the rose.
There's one bobbing about under rhododendron. You clean little cloths through your own.
Oh, nice one, nice one.
I'll have to take these shoes out.
Donut. Just a video in background. Sparrow. Yeah. Two little sparrows. Yeah. Where is it? Not there. Oh, it's two in there now. two baby blackbirds. The other baby blackbird is there. So if they're on the rest, I think. Then the babies have just gone off into edges. But that one having the rest. Because I think it's that one that Mum rescued. Because he got trapped under netting. But I hope that baby blackbird is okay in the end. After Mum rescued it and they up. Another brute it there. I'll go at it in another tree. Oh, she went through that garden then. So pretty it gone from there. Great it. And then all that baby blackbird doing. It's still chilling, ain't it? After it start injury, it's stuck on the net that mum put. I think garden stuck catch going on. A bit longer really. The mother or something is up there. Yeah. It's got his second wind back. That's good. It's at its rest. So now it can go back to its siblings, to its parents or sisters or whatever. Oh yeah. A little sparrow there. A sparrow. Oh, there you are. Staying right off my patch. They're on that bush, aren't they? But I think for now, shall leave it at that. Adios.